Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I am Nishay. Welcome. If not, thank you for tuning back in. I appreciate you. Now, if you don't know by now, it's always mini twist season on this channel. And Hot Braids understood the assignment yet again. So let's get into these fluffy spring mini twists. Hot Braids is a professional manufacturer of textured human braiding hair dedicated to providing Black women with a unique, fashionable, and high-quality selection of human braiding hair. Hot Braids also sent me a few packets with samples from their full twisting hair collection. There are 5 different types. There's type 3A/3B natural hair, 3B/3C natural hair, 3C/4A natural hair, 4A/4B natural hair, which is the hair that I'm using in this video, and 4B/4C natural hair, which I have used in the past and really liked as well. Each brochure contains information that breaks down the options for choosing the best bulk braiding hair for your hair type, the pros and cons for each sample based on your hair type, and the difference among them all. Their collection spans a spectrum of textures, colors, and lengths. Everyone can easily find the right hair texture and length for their unique style. For this install, I will be using the 4A/4B Texture-Afro Kinky Coily Bulk Human Hair from Hot Braids. I received 5 bundles of this hair in 22 inches and I used all of the bundles for this style. The hair feels very soft and the texture mimics type 4 or kinky hair perfectly. I of course washed the hair before installing it. I also have a video of exactly how I cleanse my extension hair before installing it. I will link it down below in the description box if you're interested. To prep the hair for the twists, I separated 2 strands at a time from the bundle. I lightly stretched the ends to give it more of a fluffy look. Each strand has a thicker end and a thinner end. I aligned the thicker end of one strand with the thinner end of the other strand to create one strand. I did the same stretching method with 2 more strands from the bundle, then I interlocked the 2 larger strands to prep the hair for installation. Okay, so I just finished separating the first bundle of hair and I got a total of 23 twists prepped from that bundle. Each twist has 4 strands, so there's roughly 92 strands in each bundle. So I'm gonna have to do the math. 23 times 5. That's about 115 twists for my entire head. So now I have an idea of how I need to part my head. I'm going to use that number to calculate how many sections I need to make in order to utilize all the hair and not run out of hair. So I pre-parted around 125 sections, which is fine. I ended up using some other spring twist hair I had left over from a previous install to fill in the rest of the sections. I used a crochet latch hook to attach the extension hair to my hair by pulling one side of the extension hair through the base of my braid. Once I feel that my braid is in the middle, I begin braiding the extension hair with my hair, my braid being one leg and the extension hair being the other 2 legs to create the braid. Once I get to the end of the braid in my natural hair, I separate the rest of my hair in 2. I add a little more braiding gel and combine it with each side of the extension hair, and then begin twisting the rest of the hair to the ends. When twisting, I don't roll the strands tightly between my fingers as though I am rope twisting. I simply let the hair glide between my fingers, making sure all the hair is smoothed together with the braiding gel. I let the curl pattern of the hair create the fluffy, springy look to these twists. For a detailed tutorial on how I create a fluffy spring-like twists, I will link the tutorial I created down below in the description box. Now, I like to use the crochet method to install my twist extensions for 2 reasons. 1, I don't know how to attach extension hair by braiding it in, and 2, it provides a secure base without being too tight. After installing my twists, I can immediately put it up into a ponytail with no pain. And here is the install process again in real time so you can see about how long it takes to install one twist. And here's the final look. Hot Braids truly understands the unique needs of every natural hair type when it comes to protective styling. They believe that protective styles with extensions should actually protect our natural hair. They have a selection of bulk extensions that are not only beautiful, but also good. Their bulk braiding hair is made with high quality premium virgin braiding hair that is lightweight and non-irritating. I have honestly installed some of my best mini twist looks with their hair. I have used their 4B/4C braiding hair before and I loved it. It was the perfect match for my hair texture and the twists came out so voluminous. Their 4A/4B texture also works well with my hair and the texture provides more of a spring twist look. So if you get the opportunity to invest in quality hair for your mini twist, definitely check out Hot Braids for your next install. Alright, that is it for this video. If you like this style, please like this video, and if you want to try it, definitely leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go, and I will see you in the next video. God bless.